Hi everyone, today I am going to solve a Excel assignment YO19 Excel Chapter 8 PS1 gift shop sales. In its project description, Sushan Brock, the gift shop manager, is analyzing products sold in the gift shop to determine if the current inventory should be continued or discontinued. She has given you a worksheet to track revenue on a few of the items sold in the gift shop on a trial basis for the next 6 months. She has asked you to help modify the workbook so employees know exactly what to enter into the revenue tracker and also set the worksheet to avoid the possibility of deleting important formulas. You will create a watch window, validation rules and macro to make data entry as simple as possible. Then you will protect the worksheet and workbook structure as well as hide all the formulas so the chance of deleting critical cells is minimized. Finally, you will mark the worksheet as a final so when you send it to gift shop manager she knows it version she should be using. So that's our project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel download and open file Excel chapter 8 PS1 gift shots. Save Creator will automatically add your last name to the start of the file name. Save the file to the location where you are citing your file. If a security warning message display, click the enable editing button. So I have already pressed the enable editing button. So that's our file. We will move to our second step. Our second step, at the time formula contain errors, the budget data sheet contains the circular references in the cell E36 which is an error. You will correct the formula to remove the circular references on the budget data worksheet. So we will go to the budget data worksheet. We are already on the budget data worksheet. Use trace pedestrian to illustrate the circular references error in the cell E36. We will go to the cell E36. That's our cell E36. That's our trade pedestrian. We will go to the formulas and go to the trace pedestrians. Here we have get our formula error. Correct the formula in the cell E36 by entering the correct cell range. We have here in the mistake in the formula because we are having a sum formula here, so we have the range E9 to E35. This must be E35 not 36. When we make it E35 it will be correct and our formula is correct. Now no error is showing, so our formula is correct. That's our second step. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in Cengage course, Pearson Plus course, or Canvas course, or if you need help in the PowerPoint assignments, Word assignment, Access assignments, or Excel assignments, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video to get directly in my inbox of the WhatsApp, or you can contact me through my WeChat. My WeChat link is also given in the description of this video, or you can just comment on this video so I will get you soon. We will move to our third step. Excel provides data validation tool that can help to ensure the data entry errors are kept to be a minimum. Data validation includes rules that determine what can and cannot be entered in the specific cells. List validation is a type of data validation that present in the list of data values that the user can choose from. Add a data validation to the cell G4. So we will go to the cell G4. Where is the cell G4? That is the cell G4. We will go to the data validation. In the data, we will go to the data validation. We will find that is our data validation. What we need to do, that only allow from a list to source data for the B26 to on the list data worksheet. So we will put data validation, any value not, we will select a list. The list is between the list data worksheet B26 to B30. So we will go to the list data worksheet B26 to B30. That is our B26 to B30. We have selected our list. And what he is saying, the input message should be as a title report by. So we will put the input message. We will copy this and we will go to the input message. And here is the input message is report by, and the input message should be choose a name from the list. We will copy this one including the period. We will put input message description, and what he is saying, the error result should have the title error. So we will copy this, go to the error alert with the title error, and the error message, please choose the name from the list. So we will copy this and paste the error message as a copy from list and press OK. So we have got our data validation here. You will not type anything in this cell. You will just select from the list that is given in the this, and when you put other than this, that I have put it ZAD and press enter, use its our error message, please choose the name from the list. So our data validation is working now. That's our third step. Our fourth step is data validation is a type of data validation that specifies that only a date can be entered into a cell. Add a data validation to the cell G5. So we will go to the cell G5. That is our cell G5. That allow today date or earlier. Use the function is equal to today. So we will put this function in the cell G5. In the cell G5 we will put this function. Press enter. We have got our result today date. So we will go to the data validation. That is our data validation. We will click data validation setting. Value must be date. The date between equal to greater than or equal to. We will select greater than or equal to. Here we will put the formula is equal to today. Start our brackets and now close our brackets. And what is the input message? Our input message, there is no input message, only the stop error alert, title incorrect, date. So we will copy this. We will go to the error message, error alert, incorrect date. And what is the error message should be? Date must be today or earlier. We will copy this and paste this one as an error message and press OK. So we have got a data validation here. When we put a date less than previous date, we will put 22 3 03 2024. It will show the date must be today or earlier. That means the date should be greater than 23 or 23. So its data validation is now working. Our data validation, that's our fourth step. Our fifth step is any value validation is a type of validation that utilizes the input message to communicate rules to enter data in the cell. The moment an any value validated cell is made active, the input message is displayed as a prompt to the user. There is no criteria, data restrictions, or error message set up with any value validation. Add any value validation to the cell G6. So we will go to the cell G6. That is our cell G6. We will go to the any value validation. We will go to the validation. We will go to the setting. That is our any value validation. With the only input message that reads the, we will copy the input message, copy this and go to the input message. Here is the input message. Please enter the time in the following format and press OK. So we have put our data validation here. We have got a data validation input message here and now it's working. That's our fifth step. We have total 18 steps of this assignment. I have performed 5 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you want to deal for your complete course, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my my WeChat link is given in the description of this video, or you can just scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video, or just comment on this video so I will get you soon. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates.